What's going on today, everybody? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I know that I am because we're working on the STI. We're back working on the Subaru. Been driving it a little bit here and there, and I've noticed I've got a pretty bad exhaust leak in it. So we're going to go through, I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way to find an exhaust leak. And we'll just get after it. So the main thing you're going to need is your car with the exhaust leak, and then a vacuum and some rags. Super, super easy. And all you're going to do is just put the vacuum in one of the tailpipes. If you have one, you just need one. If you're like me, I've got 4. Makes it difficult. You just stuff rags in the other 3 so they don't go into it. But stuff rags in and then stuff the hose in the 4th one. And there you go. Turn the vacuum on and you can hear it sucking from back of the car. Really rudimentary setup, but it works. We've got our vacuum tied into that one. We've got rags and all the exhaust. So if we go ahead and turn this on, we can hear that we have a leak in here somewhere. Quick and easy way to find the leak. Sounds like it's my downpipe. After a little bit of further investigation, it looks like we have a couple bolts missing. Somehow, those 2 bolts have worked themselves off, and now I've got nothing holding that downpipe on that side. So, looks like we're going to go ahead and start taking off that heat shield, get to them bolts, and see if we can find a couple bolts. Well, there it is. It's not the most high-tech version, but a lot of times low-tech will get you through. So, we know we've got a leak. Easy way to find it with all stuff that you have at home. Hopefully this helps you out. I'm going to get out of here. You guys enjoy your day. I'm going to enjoy mine. If you like this, leave a big like. Leave a comment. See you later. Peace.